Wipro is one of the multinational company and it has given opportunity to lots of candidates. So guys, if you are a fresher and if you want to join Wipro, if you want to apply for Wipro, so here I'll be sharing the opportunities where freshers can apply. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudra. And guys, you may experience the background noise in this particular video, so I am so sorry for that and please cooperate with me. So guys, in today's video I am going to share the opportunities which are available with Wipro, and Wipro is hiring for 2 of the profile. Multiple locations are available here, so that means the position is available for multiple locations. So one by one we'll be discussing about the profile, but first of all I would like to tell you guys that this profile is available for freshers. So that means if you're completely fresher, in that case also you can apply here. So let's get started and let's see the profile now. So guys, the first profile which is available, this is for the system engineer and this is the latest profile. It is recently updated. And if we will talk about the eligibility criteria in job description, so you should have excellent communication skills first of all, and you should have the ability to empathize, handle irate customers with exceptional communication skills. You should have technical knowledge in troubleshooting and base operating system issues, and you should be eager to learn new technologies. You need to do the remote support here. That means you will be doing the troubleshooting by the remote support. You need to answer the incoming calls which will be coming, and the customers who will be having the technical issues, you will be dealing with them. You need to manage and resolve customer complaints. You need to identify and escalate issues to the supervisor. So if in case the issue is bigger and you are not able to actually resolve it, or you need some support, in that case you need to connect with your supervisor. You need to provide product and service information to the customer, and you need to document all the information according to the standard operating procedures. You need to create SOPs for new issue and resolution given, and you need to complete call logs and reports. Here the fresher candidate can apply, as I have already mentioned, and this profile is available for the Bangalore location. You can see this is available for Bangalore location. Same profile is available for Mumbai location also, and the same profile is available for Hyderabad location also, and the profile will be 5 days working only, so you'll be working for 5 days here. Shift can be rotational, 24/7 shift can be here. The second profile which is available with Wipro, this is for the developer profile. So if you will see the major role, you will be doing the software development solution by studying information and need studying system flow, data usage and work process. You will be investigating the problem areas followed by the software development life cycle. You need to facilitate root cause analysis of the system issues. You need to identify the ideas to improve your system performance. You need to understand the client requirement. You need to collaborate with the functional team or system analysis who carries out the detailed investigation into software requirement. You need to determine the operational feasibility by evaluating analysis, problem definition, requirement, software development and proposed software. You need to develop and automate the processes of software validation by setting up the designing test case scenario and executing the cases. You need to modify software to fix error. You need to analyze the information to recommend and plan the installation of new system or modify of an existing system. So basically your work will be majorly into software development and the analysis and the functional skills. If you will talk about that, what kind of skills are required here, so they need the knowledge of current and upcoming technology along with the expertise in programming, automation, tool and system to build efficient and effectiveness in own function and client organization. They are looking somebody who can process excellence and who can follow the standards. They are looking somebody who has the knowledge of various program languages, tools, quality management standards and processes. So this is the another profile which is for the developer, and here they are looking for the person who is good with formulation and prioritization. They are looking for candidate who are innovative. They are looking for the candidate who are managing complexity, who are executing the excellence and who has the passion for result. So passionate candidates are required here, and this profile is available for Bangalore again. So this profile is also available for Bangalore location. So if we will talk about the application process, guys, I am giving you 4 links in the description box. 3 for system engineer and 1 for developer. So you can apply according to your interest and your eligibility. So if you want to apply for the position, you just need to click on the link, and once you will be clicking on the link, you will see the apply button. You just need to click on the apply button. You need to register yourself with the Wipro, and if you are already registered, in that case you can directly apply. So the application process is also very simple. So guys, I hope the profiles which I have shared is actually helpful for you. Also, I would request guys that if you have not subscribed the channel yet or you are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel. Also share the video with your friend circle so that they can also get the benefit of this video and they can also connect with us. And guys, I hope that I've covered the maximum details here, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new and informative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.